Hello lovely family, welcome once again to my channel. So skincare is the name. If you are stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to make organic lightening lotion, an organic product. So please stay back, watch the video to the end to understand all the ingredients I use and use it and thank me later. It is very good and it will lighten your skin, it will brighten your skin. It is organic skin lotion. So please let's go and watch the video to the end. Guys, love you. Guys, let's start to make our lotion. I'm using my rice based cream formulated with my mango oil. This one is my pawpaw based cream, but right now I'm going to use my mango rice based cream. So I will show you how to make all the base cream, the two base cream. The first one, I use the rice. I use rice and my mango oil to do it. So right now I'm going to sanitize my bowl and my spoon. You can also wash your spoon and your bowl very well to get rid of any bacteria or anything that will cause harm to your skin. So I'm going to measure my base cream. I'm measuring 50 grams of it. I formulated this base cream using my mango oil and my rice powder. I'll show you how to make it. I have get my 52 grams, so I'm going to remove some. Right now I've got my 50 grams of my base cream. I'm going to stir it for a while now. This lotion is very good and it is organic. If you do it very well, you can get the results also in an active and effective way. So right now I'm going to measure my Kojic acid powder, which is also a lightening powder. So I'm measuring 2 grams of it. Please, I'm measuring 2 grams. And I'm also going to measure my Giga white powder. Giga white powder. Giga white powder is also good. Please guys, you can do research on all the powders I used. I'm also taking 3 grams of my Giga white powder. Giga white powder is very good in a combination of sepia white powder. But right now I don't have the sepia white, so I'm using the Giga white and the Kojic acid powder. I'm also going to measure my vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. I'm measuring 1 grams of my vitamin B3. It is very good. 1 grams of it. I'll also take in my Snow White powder. Snow White powder is also a lightening powder. So I'm taking in 3 grams of it. And I'll also take in my Almond powder, 0.2 grams of my Almond powder. Almond powder is very good for lotions, creams, everything like soap. It's very good. It prevents reactions. It is very good. And also I'm going to dissolve it using my distilled water. You can use rose water. Guys, these powders are all water soluble, so I'm using a water to dissolve it. Some powders are oil soluble, we use oil to dissolve it, but right now I'm using water to dissolve my powders. And I'm going to add in my propylene glycol to let the powders or the ingredients I added to penetrate into my skin very well. This is my recipe book. I formulated my recipe before. I will show it up. This is my propylene glycol to let it penetrate into my skin very well. I take in half tablespoon of my propylene glycol. Then I will stir it very well. I'm also going to add in my whitening glycerin or whitening glycerin. I'm going to add in my glycerin, 1 tablespoon of it, because the lotion is too small. So please, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of my glycerin. Then right now I'm going to add in my powders. You have to set aside your powder for it to dissolve very well. Then I will stir it very well. This one, my lotion is not other large, so I will use my spoon to dissolve it or stir it very well. This is my stretch max ampoule. I have added in 1, and also I added in my collagen ampoule 1, and I added in Nano halfcast oil. I added in half bottle of it, Nano halfcast oil, half bottle, and I added in 3 drops of tea tree oil. Guys, after it, I bottle my lotion. This is the lotion I used. You can try it and thanks me later, guys. It's very active. Thanks you for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please like, share and comment. God bless you. I love you all. Mwah.